Hello guys, my name is Tonic and welcome to my YouTube channel again. Before we dive in, please do me one favor, subscribe here, subscribe my guy. Thank you. Okay, today I want to show you the app that makes you simple and easy money. So what you will be doing daily is to collect free coin. Number two, firework, chasing free fireworks, and that same thing give you free coin. Using the sit 15 minutes, you collect your free coin. The app is Poppo. Now let me show you by action, because we are here to help you making money in an easy way. So use my link here and you will be directed on how to download very easily. So use the link here. It will take you to Google app and download the app only like that. So let us dive in.
Hello guys, so we are here. This is Poppo. I click here on Poppo. Let me skip. Now these are so many people that are live right now around the world. So let me choose this person. And so before I told you that for male you use the seat number 5, seat number 6, 7 and 8, 9. Those seats are the one being used for male. So you sit on any. So let me choose seat 5. I sit there and let me mute. So I mute myself there. And right now, if I sit here for 15 minutes, after 15 minutes, I will go back. I will click this plus icon. Is it a plus or X? And I come here. You will either see a message here. You click there and you click on where it say income reminder. So here I have done already my task. So you can see the messages here where I have collected my coin for after 15 minutes. You can see here, congratulations for completing on the mic for 15 minutes in party. That is in the party. You receive 200 coin. Other ways, you can come here on your dashboard, click on reward, and you will see the same dashboard or the same page where you will be receiving your coins. So it's either way. So now let us go back here. This is on the party, and now when we come back on this party, there's what we call fireworks. Where's fireworks? So when you see fireworks, it will appear here. Right now it's not there. So, and there's another thing called treasure box. Treasure box are usually here on top here. So that treasure box will update itself later, because right now I have done my task during the night and I have used all my treasure box. So you will be collecting that treasure box. Yeah. Another way is when a person sends you a gift. When you receive a gift, that is another way of making money. So here, let me show you how to go live. So when you come here on your dashboard, on this page, you will see people live, and then you will see this button with red color. So you see me here. So this is how you can go live. So when you want to go solo live, you click on this live alone. So click on the blue button and you will be live. Then when you want to host a party, you click where it says party. So you either choose to use only the voice or the voice with the video. So it's the same. So when you click on the whole party, you will definitely find yourself there in a party. Then you can also use that party. Within the party, you can actually turn on the camera or turn off. You can also mute people's, and you can also mute your sound. Anything you can do from there. And then after you host, maybe someone will gamble there, some will play games, and you will be receiving the 4% of the winning. So this is it, guys. It's very easy, and this was just a small tips. And yeah, you can see these are my people texting me. Actually, this is not a scam. Let me show you how to this is where you can find your coins and points. So you exchange your coin into point. Now, these are the real money. So whenever you collect the coin, you do exchange, they will be converted to point. This point are the ones you use as money. Let me show you my account right now, how my account look like. So this is what I have received from live stream and party. So when I say withdraw, you will see exactly what is there in my account. So my account right now has $11.99. So I only need 1 point to get $12. Actually, you can withdraw using any means of payment like bank, M-Pesa from Kenya, and the minimum you can withdraw is $10. So this is not a scam, guys. So it's up to you to make your effort and get yourself there. So guys, I will appreciate you first if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and this will motivate me to do a lot of these tutorials to teach you more about Poppo. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you.